In the previous session, I gave you an understanding of what happens when the software is launched and we release it to help desk and administration. So we've already said these are the people who look after the product once it's launched into the user base. Have a look at that if you haven't seen that lesson already, but this will tell you about the qualities and the qualifications of the people on first, second and third line support. But isn't that a beautiful model? To aid your understanding of the way IT systems are born, take a look at the waterfall model. It will clearly give you the stages of how an IT system is created. I hope that's helped.